The Bosu Ball is another tool that can be used to work on upper extremity closed chain proprioception. So we're going to have JP lean forward on the Bosu Ball, grab both handles, and start first with just shifting the weight side to side. And that looks pretty easy. Another variation on this is we can have JP start with the cardinal direction, so we can go east, west, and then north and south. Or if you want to get really fancy, you can do the clock. And so we can do 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on around the clock. Again, to progress this exercise, we can also have JP go into a plank position. So go ahead and try that. And we'll do that clock exercise again. So actually go forward and then bring it back to center. 1 o'clock and back to center.
One of the more advanced plyometric exercises that we can do is a plyometric external rotation exercise. What we have JP do is lay on a table or a surface with his arm in the 90-90 position. He'll hold on to the ball and he's going to throw and catch the ball at a quick pace. Good, you can let it drop a little bit more. Good. This allows the external rotators to function more plyometrically and eccentrically. The next exercise we're going to do is a thrower-specific exercise called a deceleration. The purpose of the exercise is to allow the rotator cuff muscles to function in a deceleration type of contraction while they're elongating. Again, this is a thrower-specific type exercise. What we're going to have JP do is hold his arm into a 90-90 position. He'll look over his shoulder as I toss him the ball. You'll see as he catches the ball, he decelerates it and tosses it back to me. Variations to this exercise are to throw the ball faster and with more velocity, allowing JP to decelerate the ball with more force. A variation to this exercise is to add more drop to the ball while we stand on a box. JP will remain in the 90-90 position as I throw the ball down to him and he decelerates from a different angle. The next exercise we're going to do is an external rotation exercise with a scapular squeeze. To do this, we use a TheraBand wrapped between two arms. JP is going to externally rotate both arms, keeping his elbows by his side while squeezing his shoulder blades together. Release the band and repeat the exercise. It's important to note that this exercise should look like this from the back side. You'll notice that he squeezes his shoulder blades together tightly and then releases the shoulder blades as he internally rotates the band. And that's the TheraBand external rotation exercise with scapular retraction. Some of the various exercises we use for plyometrics are using the Plyo Tramp. JP is going to demonstrate an exercise where we throw a medicine ball at the plyometric trampoline and he catches and rebounds the ball during his throw. JP, let's go ahead and do the exercise. Okay, good. This exercise is a plyometric exercise for external rotation using the plyometric trampoline.